Welcome to Ads That Slapped. Today we'll be exploring how cats and dogs are advertising's secret weapon. From quirky humor to heart-melting creativity, these ads didn't just promote products, they captured the essence of our love for pets. So grab a drink, cuddle your furry friend, and let's explore. If you made it here, I'd like to thank you for watching and sticking around. Which of these adorable animals made it to your favorite list? And did any of them shock you? Let me know in the comments. I'll catch you in the next one.